Okay, let's now define what is an arithmetic sequence. So the definition, so sometimes they call it arithmetic sequence or AS. Sometimes they call it arithmetic progression or AP. So, but in this case, we'll be using AS. So AS or arithmetic sequence is a sequence So an arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. That particular difference is called the common difference. Usually denoted by D. So let's go back to the first example that we have earlier. Dun sa number 1 question natin. So we'll start with 3, then 7, then 11, 6, 15, 6, 19, 23, and so on. Okay, so this is an arithmetic sequence because yung difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. If this is your a sub 1 or your first term, ito yung second term, third term, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on, you will notice that a sub 2 minus a sub 1, which is 7 minus 3, it's equivalent to 4. Also, a sub 3 minus a sub 2 is also 4. A sub 4 minus a sub 3 is also 4, as well as a sub 5 minus a sub 4, and a sub 6 minus a sub 5, and so on. So in short, we have a sequence is an arithmetic sequence kapag you have a sub 2 minus a sub 1 equal yan sa a sub 3 minus a sub 2 equal yan sa a sub 4 minus a sub 3, and so on. Okay, mahalaga to, tandaan nyo to. Okay, now, so let's have again the sequence. We have 3, so we have 3, parang masyado, no? 7, a sub 6, and so on. Since, ano yung definition ng common difference? Common difference is the difference between two consecutive terms is called the common difference. So in this case, a sub 2 minus a sub 1. So we have a sub 1, which is 3, and your common difference is a sub 2 minus a sub 1, which happens to be 4 because it's 7 minus 3, or 11 minus 7, or 15 minus 11, or 19 minus 15. So if you'll notice, your a sub 2 is equivalent to 7. And it's equivalent to 3 plus 4. Tama? A sub 2 is 3 plus 4 because to get to 7, you have to add 4 sa 3. Your a sub 3, which happens to be 11, ay 3 plus 4 plus another 4. Your a sub 4 is equivalent to 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus another 4. So, simplify muna natin to. Yung a sub 1 mo, which is just 3. Your a sub 2 is 3 plus 4 times 1, kasi isa lang 4 yun. Yung a sub 3 mo naman ay 3 plus 4 times 2, kasi dalawang 4 yung dinagdag mo. Dito sa a sub 4 ay 3 plus 4 times 3. Your a sub 5, wag na natin isulat to, is 3 plus 4 times, correct, 4. Your a sub 6 is 3 plus 4 times 5. Now, the question is, What if I need a sub 10? So nga, a sub 10. Oh well, a sub 10 based on this pattern equal yan sa 3 plus 4, a sub 1 plus 4, common difference, times, this is, yeah, if it's 6, it becomes 5. If it's 5, then it's 4. If it's 4, then it's 3. So if it's 10, then we're looking for 9. Okay, very good. How about a sub n? So if it's a sub n, so we'll still get 3 plus 4. And then to get this one, you just have to subtract 1 from this one. So it's n minus 1. Or in short, if you're looking for a sub n, then for any first term, and then common difference, which is d, times n minus 1. This is your formula for the nth term of, let's put here, nth term of an arithmetic sequence.